Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix OpenAI Playground login problems, authentication errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login problems on the OpenAI Playground, you're not alone. First, ensure that you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your email address and password for any typos. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Next, verify that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection may cause authentication errors. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve issues related to stored data that may be interfering with your login. Try using a different web browser or an incognito window. This can help rule out problems specific to your current browser. Ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers may have compatibility issues with the OpenAI Playground. Check if there are any ongoing service outages. Visit the OpenAI status page to confirm the service is operational. Disable any browser extensions that may interfere with the login process. Some ad blockers or privacy extensions can cause unexpected issues. If you're using a corporate or school network, verify that access is not restricted. Certain firewalls or network configurations may block OpenAI services. Try logging in at a different time to see if the problem persists. Sometimes, temporary server issues can affect access. If all else fails, contact OpenAI support for further assistance. Provide them with as much information as possible about the issue you're facing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the authentication errors on the OpenAI Playground. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.